Hi everyone. So Deepa joined us, and he's just preparing his presentation and everything. He'll be starting with the presentation very shortly. Please stay tuned. And this event is brought to you by Events Ethereal, DSCBO, Deep Connect AI, as well as Coach Chef. Thank you.
Hey guys, so so hi guys, so today's topic that we are going to cover is Community 101. Okay, so this is actually an important topic in an engineer's life. Like if you are engaged into community, you really have a good chance that you will learn a lot of things and you will like learn a lot of things through community based learning. You will learn teamwork and etc things. So right now I will introduce myself. So hi, I am Deep Patel and I'm a sophomore at Bennett University. So some of my interests are, you can see the screen. I am exploring native and cross-platform app development. Yeah. So why I am delivering this lecture? Why I have been chosen to deliver this community 101. So from the first year itself, I have been engaged into many communities like developer student club, Kegel Day Sally NCR, Coding Ninjas, Ambassadors Program, and etc. So I feel I will be perfect for you to take this session. So what do you mean by the word community? So विकिपीडिया से जाते हैं तो कम्युनिटी का मतलब होता है द कंडीशन ऑफ शेयरिंग और हैविंग सर्टेन एटीट्यूड्स एंड इंटरेस्ट इन कॉमन. सो बेसिकली कम्युनिटी का ये मतलब है, अगर we both have same interest, like if I have interest in app development, if you have interest in app development, then we can just combine and just learn a lot of things together, right? So why should you be a part of a tech or a developer community? So if I talk about engineers life or engineers 4 year, so we engineers are exposed to a lot of technologies: Flutter, Java, C++, Kotlin, React. ये सारी टेक्नोलॉजीज इतनी पड़ी हुई है. So what are we basically going to do? It's like, if I am a senior and if I know this technology, if I am like, let me talk about Flutter. If I know Flutter and you are a beginner in Flutter and you have no idea where to start part or where to like how to contribute, like how do you know how to teach. So this is where community comes in place. Like, you really get a lot of things to know. Like, you are really exposed to a lot of communities and a lot of technology. Like, community will be always there for you when you need them. Community will always there for you when you need them. It's like, if you don't know some concepts, or if you don't know like a basic concept of how to input a button or how to like on click a button, if I talk about Android, then community will help you out. But before that, you need to put efforts. Yeah, you need to just learn things खुद से पहले, वरना फिर नहीं कर पाओगे आप. So this is why tech or developer communities, like, you should be a part of tech or developer community. So इतने टाइम से मैं communities बोले जा रहा हूँ. So which are the tech communities that I am basically talking about? So talking with first is a developer students club. This community is backed by Google. Like, the main aim of developer student club is to, like, gr- it is for the university students. It is for the university level. Like, developer student exist in lots of universities around the world. I'm not just talking about Delhi, I'm not just talking about India, I'm just talking the whole worldwide. Developer student clubs is a whole worldwide student club. It, like, the basic aim is, like, to explore and to form a community and to exchange technologies, thoughts, and to exchange the knowledge. And if someone is facing problem, just help them out to explore them the new technologies formed by Google and other companies as well. So Developer Student Club is one of the community that I will recommend you to be a part of. And how can you be a part of Developer Students Club? Just go to the website dac.community.dev and you will find a lots of community there, lots of university community there. You can, if I am a part of Bennett University and I want to be a part of an example, I will take Triple IT Hyderabad DSC club. I will just join the club. Like, all the sessions of the triple IT Hyderabad will be notified to me and I will be able to join. So there is no restriction that if you are part of Bennett University, you will not take you cannot join by the other university. So this is what community means. Like, it's open. It's open. Other I can recommend is Kegel Days Meetup Delhi. And so this community has been recently formed. I guess it's 1 year maybe now, but the community growth that they have, the community people that they have, this is backed by Kegel Days. Kegel is an data science based platform where you can just learn things and deploy models and etc. So this is one of the great groups for if you want to learn data science. And even if you don't want to learn data science, you can just learn new technologies and meet some great people. Like, I have been part of Kegel Days Delhi NCR in my first sem itself. I was a volunteer in the logistics department, and I got to know many new people like Sambhavi, Aeon, and they just taught me some new data science skills. They just taught me how to be a part of community, how to engage into communities. The other is Intel Developer Zone. So you can just log into the website of Intel Developer Zone. And what is Intel Developer Zone? I will tell you. Like, Intel Developer Zone will, uh, if you be a part of Intel Developer Zone, you will have all the technologies of Intel. Like, basically, few months ago, there was a new technology developed by Intel known as OpenVINO technology. So you can access that. You will be the first to access that technology. So, and if you face any problem, literally a basic problem, first you find out the solution yourself and then ask into the community. There are many communities that will help you out. Dave.2. This is a like a renowned community. It's a social platform for us developers, but it's a community. This is where all our developers like write blogs. There's Medium also, but most of the them prefer Dave. Like they can write blogs, they can post articles, and they can just follow each other and just ask questions. So, how to engage into tech communities or how to be part of a Dave community? Okay, so I was just telling you in all the previous slides that if I consider developer students club, then you can just go log in into that website dsc.community.dev and pick your university and just join the. This is simple process to be a part of a community. But I will recommend two applications that you should install to get engaged into communities. One is Telegram and the second is Meetup. Yeah. Telegram is not only for downloading movies. Telegram is a lot more. Telegram for developers is a lot more. Like many communities have, they are based on Telegram. Telegram, you can just open Telegram and search. Like if I want to be part of Android developer community, I can just search Android dev, and you will get a list of communities. So there are Android dev India, Android dev Mumbai. You can be part of any communities, and if you be a part of a community, I will recommend you to read the community guidelines, because if you don't follow the community guidelines and you spam messages, you will be out of the community straight away. And talking about Meetup is too important. Like if I talk about what actually Meetup application does for communities, if I am an organizer, I want to organize a meetup, not in this Corona situation, but if it's an online offline meetup, I will just log in into Meetup and create a group, create a community, and I will just list out all the things about the community, and the viewers, that it is audience, can see all what we will be doing during the sessions or during the meetup, and you can just be part of the community. So there's my personal story on Meetup. It's like I just got introduced it through an ad. Okay. And due to this Meetup app, I got to introduce to Google Developers Group and Developer Students Club. Before this, I have no idea of what was Developer Student Club or Microsoft Student Ambassador Program, etc. So Meetup led me to explore these communities and be a part of it. So apart from these communities, yeah, communities is important. Communities play a lot more important part in one's life, in a engineer's life. So I will just talk about some of the developer programs that you should know about. Like if I'm a first year, or if you're just entering a college, or you are in second year, you can just enroll into this amazing programs, and you can just grab all the benefits out of it. So first is GitHub Campus Expert. This is an amazing program by GitHub, and in this program, basically what happens, you apply first, and you will be given training for Git and GitHub, and you will be like. So sorry, there was a glitch in between. So yeah, what does GitHub Campus Expert does? So basically, it's firstly you fill the application, then there's a online training, that 6 week or 7 week and online training, I guess. Then you have to like you go through that training, and you are given points, or you are been mentored during that mentored and given points during that whole training, and according to your performance you will be evaluated, and then if your performance is good, then you will finally become a GitHub Campus Expert. Microsoft Lean Student Ambassador Program. This is one of the great program that you can be part of. You have direct access to Microsoft new technologies, and there's a great craze of Microsoft communities in India. Also, the perks that they provide are awesome. Like I have known some of my friends. They are Microsoft Lean Student Ambassadors. It was formerly known as Microsoft Student Partners Program. Now it has changed to Microsoft Lean Student Ambassadors Program. So yeah, you get a lot of perks, swags, and that's what, like, if you get swags, there's a, like, stickers, bag, bottle, uh, you get certificates also, and that are important. Like, certificates generally don't mean that much, but if you have a certificate of being recommended by Microsoft or anything, it's important. The other is developer student clubs, developer circles from Facebook. Yeah, such as if Google or Facebook, if Google और Microsoft एक रेस में, तो Facebook क्यों नहीं आएगा वो रेस में. So yeah, developer circles is one of the most active community, you can say, on Facebook. Like if you want to be a part of developer circles, you need to have a Facebook account, no option. And you need to fill some of the form and read the community guidelines while filling a developer circles form, and then you will get to know what these developer circles do. And there are many developer circles in India. There is developer circles Delhi, Mumbai, which I am part of, basically. Moving to its AWS Educate program, Amazon Web Service Educate. So this student ambassador program, it's really great. It's backed by Amazon, and in this program, you will have access to Amazon Web Services. You will get upgrades in using that. You can buy some cloud storage or deploy models through that. So yeah, you will get amazing perks. And it's just not about perks in every communities, right? You network with a lot people, and you get to know people of your age, of, like, seniors too. Like, these communities are worldwide. You will, like, the network that you will have will be awesome, and this network will help you during your insurance life and ahead too. This Major League Hacking. This is like one of the amazing communities that encourages hackers and developers to be part of communities and open source. Like, Major League Hacking is organizes many hackathons, and if you be part of the hackathon, they have great themes and they have great support. If you will just log in into that website, you will get all the resources that you need to organize a hackathon, and you need to be part of this hackathon. It's really great. I've also been part of MLH community for a while, and I know the perks are really great, and the community strength is really good. MLH is like, has the greatest community stand. So yeah, the other communities I will say is, like, this is Girl Spirit community, and the other is Script Foundation. And the culture community in India from past 2 years has been evolving a lot, and Script Foundation is being, like, it's quite a month now. It has been in the community market. And what I say about Girls community, it's really a great community. Like, there are many chapters of Girlspit and Script Foundation. You can just log in into the website, or you can just scroll into their LinkedIn feed, and you will see how these communities can help you. Like, Girl Script empowers women, and Script Foundation is basically for everyone. Both organizes hackathons. Girl Script organize Girl Script Summer of Code, which is an open source competition, just like Google Summer of Code. It's really great. They both of Like, every community has an aim to empower developers, to engage developers into networking, to, like, they think all good about the developers. There is no option, like, the So yeah, these communities have great uh, uh, so yeah, sorry, this was my first session that I took, and I was too. Um, so yeah, this was my first session. If you have any queries, you can just ask me, and we will get into this. So yeah, I will just have a summary that I will tell you at the end. It's that if you are a first year or second year, even if you are not in your undergraduate, you should be a part of all these communities. That these communities helps a lot in one's life. Like it has helped me a lot. Like what I say, I am been part of many communities. Past like before 3 months I was making a project using flutter and firebase, and I was facing a lot of problems while dealing with the database and storage. So I just in the telegram, I am part of Flutter India and Flutter Mumbai. So I just posted what I was facing through, and there are many active members that will help you out. There and I was also been helped out by Pulkit Agarwal. He is one of the great Android coder that I know personally. So yeah, like if you are facing any problem, this community will help out. Like all the communities are will help you out in the near future, and will help you out in each and every path. If you want to get into open source, if you want to know Android, if you want to deep dive into Firebase, if you're facing any problem in all these technologies, you can just be part of their communities, uh, and the community will help you out in each and every way they can. That's it. I will rest my case. Thank you. So guys, if you have any queries, you can just ask me right now. If you have any queries regarding communities, or if you want to know how to get be part of any community, you can just tell me. I will help you out. You can just reach my LinkedIn handle. I will just add the link in the chat. You can just connect with me there. It will be great.
Great. I think I went through the comments as well. There aren't any main queries. Apart from this, you can always connect with Deep on GitHub, Instagram, everywhere, and we'll also float his number through the messages so that you can stay connected with him and have all the queries that you require. So I think if it's all good, so thank you so much, Deep. Thank you so much for this amazing session. I think everyone learned a lot here, and hope to see you again delivering another talk with us soon.
Thank you, Aryan.
Yeah, thank you
Sure.
so much, Deep.
Thank
Yeah, thank you so much. Guys everywhere, thank you so much for attending this live session. We'll be having another session tomorrow, and we'll have sessions. We'll have continuous sessions for the next several days. So see you tomorrow, same time, same platform. Thank you so much.